How to manage your customers in Magento Commerce. This tutorial will show you how to manage your customers in Magento Commerce and assumes you're already logged into Magento. Go to Customers, then Customer Groups. This is where you can view all the customer groups that have been added. Scroll right. Click this button to add another group. Enter a name for the new group. Scroll right. Click Save Customer Group. The new group has been saved successfully and now shows up in the list below. To add an existing customer to one of the groups below, go to the Customers menu, then select Manage Customers. Choose a customer. Scroll right. Select Assign a Customer Group from the Actions list. Now, choose a group. Click Submit. The selected customer has been added to the group. To add a new customer, scroll right. Click this button. Select whether the new customer has access to the admin panel or only the store. Enter the customer's first name. Enter the last name. Enter the customer's email address. Select the customer group. Scroll down. Enter a password for this customer. Scroll up. Go to Addresses. Add a new address for this customer by clicking this button. Enter the street address. Enter the city. Scroll down. Select the country. Choose the state or province. Enter the zip code. Enter the telephone number. Click Save Customer. The customer has been saved and added to the list below. To view a list of all the online customers, go to Customers, then Online Customers. This page shows the customers online, when they were last active, and other information. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to manage customers in Magento Commerce.